Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually delete a current playlist that you've created on SoundCloud. Now it's a very easy process and I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. Now the first step is to actually open up your preferred browser, head down to soundcloud.com and open up your actual account, sign into your credentials. Now simply head down to the top right corner where your profile picture appears, go down to playlists, and here select the playlist that you actually want to delete. Now let's say I want to delete this Lil Peep playlist. What I will try to do is, the first thing is actually go down to these three dots, and I can't delete it from here. That's probably the first step you will take. Now from there you open up the actual playlist, and what you'll do right here is go and delete your playlist right there. It's easy as that. Simply press delete playlist, and here make sure that you actually want to delete it, because this can be undone, and from there press delete, and that should be about it. Now that's very easy. As you can see, it's still here, but it's loading and it will be gone any second. Now if this tutorial has helped you, or if this tutorial didn't help you and you need further explanation, leave it in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe. This helps me out a lot, and thanks for watching.